everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, oluwadunsinn. How are you? You're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're also welcome. So today I'll be showing us how to coil your wig with flexi rod, like no it at all, just flexi rod. So first of all, I combed the hair out. I combed it out very well to avoid detangling later. So I mixed water with hair conditioner inside a bottle, a spray bottle. My measurement was 60/40, which means my conditioner was more than the water. This will help the hair to coil very well. Then I roll the hair into the flexi rod. After sectioning the hair, make sure you comb everything out. If you feel the hair is not smooth while rolling, just comb it out very well so that it will form a very beautiful roll. Then repeat this section to the end. After you are done with the rolling, then you lock the hair with the flexi rods in both ends. I did add this in my previous explanation. Make sure you wet the hair. Wet it very well with this. Make sure in the spray bottle. Then you comb it out while wet. Then you roll it with you roll the hair with the flexi rod. If you are watching this video to this moment, that means you are enjoying this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please do, and don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. Thank you. Guiding us through the dark. Destiny Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please, I am begging, subscribe to this channel now. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.